Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one, which is on the left. So let's tap on it, and if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to unroll this upper bar with the options, and as you can see, the second and the third option is connected with the resolution. So we've got 4 different options for the resolution and also 2 different for the frame rate. What's more, be aware that if you will have a different stabilization, probably hyper steady stabilization, you will not be able to use 4K and 8K. So remember about that, just pick the normal stabilization. And as I said, you can pick 8K, 4K, FHD or HD. Right now we've got the FHD option applied. Not only it is notified right here, but also those icons are highlighted in this bluish color. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we'd like to use in order to change the resolution. So let me pick, for example, 8K, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here. What's more, the frame rate changed slightly because previously we had 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. In the 8K option, we've got only 24 from which we can choose, so we cannot tap on 60. We can pick 4K, and as you can see, again we've got 30 and 60, and right now we can change the frame rate. So basically that's all, because after tapping on the particular option it will be immediately set. You can also check it in the camera. So let me pick, for example, 8K, and now let's go back to the camera, and as you can see right here we've got the icon which will show us which resolution we've got set. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.